Y is less than or equal to X. Another one. Y is equal to X. That means they're the same numbers. So if you just do a t-table, you end up getting the same numbers. And that's okay. Same numbers. Left, right, left, right, left, right. This is what the line looks like. We know the line is solid because it says less than or equal to. Now, we ended up shading on this side. Why? Can't plug in 0, 0 because 0, 0 exists on the line. So how about, can't do 1, 1. How about 1 and 2, where X is 1, Y is 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 1? Nope. Can't shade on this side. Have to shade below it. Shade below it. See, that's how doing the test points work.